gonna start by defining function to explain what is lim for me. 2x plus 1. Oops. Let's say we want to approach the value 2. This. In GeoGebra we can see clearly that this gonna be approaching to 5, right? But I'm gonna define by use the concept of limit itself by approaching, since we use 2x plus 1 gonna be use 2 multiply x, we want to x1 dot 8 plus 1. Oops. Plus 9 plus 999. It's reaching the value 5, exactly the same. We use perpendicular line to make sure here it's 5. Intersect y is 5. Let's say we want to approach from the right side by use 2. Where is that? Here. We decrease, decrease again, decrease again, decrease again. We approaching the value 5 from the right to the end and the left. We approaching the value 5. Why we need concept like this? Why can we just use x equal to just these 2 and it's exactly give the value 5? Why can we just use something like this? And to answer that question is, I'm gonna show you to answer. Let's say we want to we have another function minus 9 divided by x minus 3. Now we want to approach the value 3, which means this. If we use the same way that we used before, which means gonna be x equal to 3x minus 9 divided by x minus x equal to 3, it become undefined. Why is that? Why it doesn't give you the value of why it doesn't give you the value 6, right? You see, I'm gonna use this to show you why it doesn't show you this value, that doesn't give you the value 6. It's supposed to be 6. Why is that? That seems correct. The answer is that the signature of this function, it's not allow you to use 3, but we can use the concept of the limit by approaching this exactly what we used before. Let me say I'm gonna use the value x. I'm gonna x equal to, from the left gonna be use 1.7. Now we change this by the value x. Oops. X, this is power by You see the value is 4.7. I'm going to increase by 8, increase by 9, oops, sorry, with too far, it's supposed to be 2, since we want to approach the value 3, wait, again, 7, we get the value, this you must notice, 8, 9, 9, you see it approaching the value 6. We can get the exact value by 6 because this function is not allow you to use the value 3. Since we use the value 3, it become undefined. You see, that's why we can use another approach to see. It's not give you the exact value, but it give you the approximate. But since we know the approximate, it's approaching to 3, we can assume that the value would be 6. See, it give you 6, since this is 9999, we can assume, we can make this conclusion that this value gonna be 6. So another way to solve this function, we can use approach by simplification by x. Since we use this x power 2 minus 9 divided by x power 3, we can simplify this by power 2 minus 3 power 2. 3 power 2 would be 9, right? Then divide by x power 2 minus 3 minus 2 divided by x minus 3. And if you see this is there is a way, there is formula that is gonna be like this. You see, we can cancel this minus and minus, and the function remain. We delete this, we delete this. Now, as you can see, this function is exactly the same, right? It's exactly the same. Now we can use this function, since this function is the same, we can use 3 here. Since we are approaching 3, we can just use 3 plus 3. Now it gives you the exactly value is 6, and that what is limit